We have done the balloon arch, but what about a balloon wall? This is a unique art installation that uses balloons in a fresh, new way. Miranda Thompson of Snap Pop Party says this approach to balloon art is the perfect backdrop to create an impact. She's here in studio to share the process with us. Welcome back, friend. You've done it again.
Thank you. We try to do all the things.
This is fun. So articulate it, describe it, the balloon wall.
Yeah, so the idea is creating a backdrop, right? To your party, for a photo, whatever it is, an opportunity for people to have a space that says, this is party. And that's what this does.
We've got some examples, and this would be easy to customize, right? Depending on your theme or your event or your color palette.
Yep. Yeah, you can absolutely do this for anything. So this is very birthday-esque, right? We've done a Valentine. You can do an actual Valentine you can give to somebody on a piece of foam board. You can do a birthday card. You can do something for Halloween. We are gonna make a rainbow today.
How are you attaching these balloons? Because you know me and my trust level with these latex friends. Is it glue?
Right. So it depends on what you're gonna do. If you want to put this on your wall, I wouldn't suggest glue or a glue dot, right?
Yeah.
Gaff tape is a great option for your wall. I would do this over painter's tape if you're gonna put something on your wall because it will hold the balloons a little bit stronger, but it also isn't gonna pull off the paint.
But the balloons themselves, what are you adhering those with?
With the gaff tape.
Oh, the tape.
Yep, the actual tape. If you're gonna do something that you want to be a little bit more portable or you don't wanna put something directly on your wall, if you have a wallpaper or something like that, you can use a piece of foam board, which we have here. You just get it at your craft store. I got this piece at Michael's, got this at Joann's. You can get it pretty much anywhere.
And that becomes your wall.
And this becomes your wall, right, which is what we did here.
Cool.
And then I'm using glue dots because it's cheaper than gaff tape.
There you go. That was what I was seeing, was kind of the stability of the background, but that's an option.
Yeah.
Okay, talk us through this.
So really you can do anything. So here we're gonna make a rainbow. So basically you're gonna use these long skinny balloons. They're called 260s if you go to your party store.
If I go to a party store and ask for a 260, I'm gonna finish with one of these. Because that sounds really insider.
It does,
really
right? Like, hey, I know what that is.
I'll have some green 260s.
Okay. Some green ones, please. And then you can just blow them up into any shape or size. Here you can see we've done squiggles, we've done a little swirls. I made some balloon dogs. I got some little 5-inch balloons and put on there. And then you're literally just gonna take it and glue it.
It sort of feels like paper piecing, but with balloons.
A little bit, yeah. And then you can just shape it to be however you want it to be. So we're gonna blow up a blue one here to finish off our rainbow. And you're just gonna take it, if you want to do something that is sized, and just kind of let air out of it as you get it right where you want it.
Adjust as you go before you tie and before you tape.
Exactly. So tie the end off there, and then this little end, you can tie a knot there as well.
Okay, and tape it.
And then, you're just gonna cut this end off.
You're gonna cut it?
Yeah, right on the outside of the knot.
You're so brave. You're so brave with these things we
call
call
a balloon or two.
Balloons.
You're also gonna cut off your nozzle. That is gonna be the easiest way to make this look professional.
It's called a nozzle.
That is your nozzle.
Learning all sorts of vocab today.
Right? You're gonna cut that off and then just kind of like do that a little bit.
Do you even flinch anymore when a balloon pops?
No.
It's just like background noise? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I was actually at an event recently and somebody was doing balloons and one popped and like 3 people around me just screamed.
Yeah.
And I was like,
no, we're fine. She's real fun on the 4th of July. Those fireworks don't even,
don't even faze me. Yep, so then we're just gonna take it and we're gonna glue it down.
This is really accessible and I would say affordable too, right?
Yeah, absolutely. You can buy a bag of these multicolor for, I don't know, $10 or something at a Zurcher's, maybe 15. And you can get them in multicolor, you can do whatever you want. The foam board, I think this piece was $7. So yeah, it's a completely affordable way to decorate your party.
Dare we attempt letters with something like this?
You can, yes. Letters are gonna get a little bit bigger. So if you're gonna do a bigger like wall piece, you can absolutely do some letters. I would just sketch it out a little bit first so you know what you wanna do. But yeah.
Another winning idea. Thank you so much. Miranda's the best of the best. Her artistry is unmatched, and you do installations at events, parties. How can people get in touch with you?
Instagram's the easiest way, snap.pop.party. That's the easiest way to find us.
All right, we'll link you over there, and she can help you with all your party needs, but thank you for this small scale inspiration.
Thank you.
We can do this. Thank you again.